Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama come back Sandy Home Recipe. Send the can out share video. Mama rem subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. No one me notification bell no. Send the video be able to our Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. Besua se be Ghana palm nut soup. Me ye soup where me tasty and it tastes really nice. Into eno na ye be ye. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Okro description box na ingredients in na eden. Ewo ho. Yes, start it. Ye be use dry fish. What the all-purpose wet vegetable season. Akwo, blended pepper, chopped onion, fish season, salt to taste. Maggi season optional on fire the egum. Tomato paste. Kakra bi. Now the so kakra the egum. One mixing there together. Now the fresh tomatoes ni onion aka ho. Wakata so. With the akwesi jar so ama na sima. Wo ho anu wa bie so. No wa numu se de ni na be season ye. Wo hwe enam no de betete na wa ye si nchen. Enkwa ne bebe mpe na wo de ayeden atomu. We are now the palm fruit near the egum. Woody ensuo aka ho. Ensuo ni jira enkwando draw a wo ye. Ensuo no betimi the hot water egumu ana normal water. The pepper ni okro aganish no. No one mixing there together. We are no just so ama na to ne bu aben. Ba say ejan ulo ni kakra. Oh, why no wahwe se wo hwe se entos ni je ne no so aben a na waji no wakọ blend we no be hwe den agumu wa blend awe na wahwe den agumu na wajan kwale customer den ebeben but time bia say wo check it. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. Sorts no and also na de kakra den aka ho aha no enam na we si nchen na de de agum esanse akakra na enkwane aben aha no akakra na aben na watwe na waserve enti wunya fufu a wobetimi de aka ho adi yep ma chose na di kan a hwe video a mema rem subscribe na wa share na wa like na wa mia notification bell no say the video bia beto a won sabeka me ye nkwanwe na me taste and it tastes really nice. And this our palm nut soup. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.